In this video, we will learn parts of speech with clear examples. A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, things, or idea. For example, dog, city, and love. 5 types of noun. Pronoun, a word that replaces the noun, and we also can say that replace a noun to avoid a repetition. Both are correct. Pronoun have 6 types. A word that describes an action and state. For example, run, eat, and walk. That is called verb. Verb have 3 types. Adjective. Adjective that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, blue, dog. Adjective have 4 types itself. Adverb, a word that modifies a verb, adjective, or other adverbs. For example, quickly and very. Adverb have 5 types. Preposition. Preposition is a word shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in, on, and at. And preposition have 2 types. Conjunction. Conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, and because. Conjunction has 3 types. Interjection. Interjection express strong emotions or sudden burst of feeling. For example, oh, wow, and ouch. Interjection have 2 types. And here we wraps up our discussion on the types and definitions of parts of speech. In the next video, we will delve into other essential parts of speech, including their types, definitions, and examples. Thanks for watching and see you the next time. Allah Hafiz.